Samsung Galaxy M14 5G with Exynos 1330 processor and 6000 mAh battery launched. Price, specifications, my smart price. Samsung just introduced yet another M series smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy M14 5G in Ukraine. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G is powered by an Exynos 1330 processor and 4GB of RAM. The handset offers a large display with a waterdrop notch. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G offers a triple rear camera setup including a 50 megapixels primary shooter. It is backed by a 6000 mAh battery and 25W fast charging support. Other highlights of the device include a 13 megapixels front camera, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a micro SD card slot. Let us take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy M14 5G price, specifications, and features. Samsung Galaxy M14 5G, price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G is priced at 8,299 Ukrainian hryvnias, approx 18,300 rupees, for the 4GB plus 64GB configuration. The handset also comes in a 4GB plus 128GB configuration option which is priced at 8,999 Ukrainian hryvnias, approx 19,900 rupees. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G is available for purchase in Ukraine. Samsung is yet to reveal the Samsung Galaxy M14 5G India availability. The all-new Galaxy M14 5G sports a 6.6-inch PLS LCD display with a Full HD Plus, 2408x1080 pixel resolution and a waterdrop notch. Under the hood, the latest M series smartphone is powered by an octa-core Exynos 1330 processor. The Exynos 1330 comes paired with Mali G68 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and up to 128GB of onboard storage. The handset also features a micro SD card slot. The smartphone boots One UI, based on Android 13. Talking about the optics, the Galaxy M14 5G offers a triple rear camera setup that includes a 50 megapixels primary shooter with an f1.8 aperture. It gets accompanied by a 2 megapixels depth sensor and a 2 megapixels macro camera. The selfies and video calls on the device are taken care of by a 13 megapixels front snapper. The latest M series smartphone comes equipped with a 6000 mAh battery unit. It supports 25W fast charging over a Type-C charging port. Samsung isn't bundling the charging brick in the retail box, so users will have to purchase it separately. The smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy M14 5G comes in silver, blue, and dark blue color options. It weighs 206 grams and measures 166.8 x 77.2 x 9.4 mm. Connectivity features of the device include dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy M14 5G? Do let us know in the comments section below.